Did you know that shopping is a top priority for most of Pinterest users? And that Pinterest is more effective at drive traffic to a website than any other social media source? If you are surprised, just stop whatever you're doing and watch this video. Pinterest works like a unique virtual pinboard where to save ideas and information as pins. You can use these boards to collect ideas for an upcoming event, recipes you want to try, or organize thoughts, projects, or favorite links in an easy visual way. While traditional social networks are about uploading content for other users to like and comment on Pinterest, you pin an item to a board because you want to reference it later. Pinterest drives traffic. Pinterest is an excellent tool to help increase links back to your website, which in turn drives more traffic. This happens because it doesn't force people to stay on the platform. Actually, it works the opposite way. When you see a pin that interests you, to find out more, you are forced to leave Pinterest and visit the website link related. This obviously relies on good content. If you're creating and sharing content that your audience likes, they're more likely to follow your links. Good content on Pinterest starts with creating quality visuals. Moreover, your content doesn't last long on Facebook or Instagram. Meanwhile, your content on Pinterest appears fresh even when things were pinned a year ago. This means you constantly have a new stream of people searching your stuff and repinning. Pinterest has more than 400 million monthly active users. At the beginning of 2020, Pinterest reported having more than 400 million monthly active users worldwide. While nearly one-third of those users are from the US, the number of users outside the US is growing rapidly. So, what does this mean for your brand? Simply, Pinterest has a potential for both local and global companies alike. So, how people use Pinterest? Pinterest isn't a platform that only rewards great photos. 89% of US pinners use Pinterest for inspiration in their path to purchase. And it's not just inspiration that consumers are looking for. Actually, 47% of Pinterest log onto the site specifically to shop, making it nearly 4 times more effective at generating sales than other social platforms. Who are Pinterest users? Women are the main Pinterest users. 71% of global Pinterest users are female, according to the website Statista. When concentrating on the US, Pinterest reaches 83% of women aged 25-54. How women use Pinterest? Well, 85% of women that use Pinterest use it to plan life moments. 52% use the platform to develop their knowledge of great food and drinks. 70% use Pinterest to find accessories, clothes, and many other products. Pinterest informs you of emerging trends. One of the beautiful things you can do with Pinterest is use it to see what is trending right now and which are the most popular products in a given industry. Pinterest lets you search for popular keywords and trending products in real time. Is Pinterest right for my business? Popular topics on Pinterest are fashion, home and garden, food and beauty, but there is space for many niches and there are always new trends. Last year, new popular searches were about climate change and low-waste lifestyle. In April 2020, during coronavirus, some of the top searches on Pinterest were related to health and fitness, parenting, work from home, and do-it-yourself. The last reason why you should use Pinterest, and this is my favorite, is that Pinterest is filled with positivity. In fact, 90% of users agree that Pinterest is filled with positivity and the platform is doing its best to keep it that way. Recently, Pinterest introduced a lot of tools and well-being activities for users experiencing sadness, stress, depression, and beyond. So this is all for this video. If you like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye!